Need to cancel your Tesco Mobile insurance? No problem. You can cancel at any time. If you're within the first 30 days of your new policy, that's your cooling off period, and you're entitled to a full refund. No questions asked. After 30 days, you can still cancel, but the refund will be prorated, meaning you'll get back any unused portion of your premium. The easiest way to cancel is through the Tesco Bank app or website. Just log in, go to Insurance, then Manage Policies, and select Cancel Insurance. Follow the prompts and you'll receive a confirmation email or SMS. Alternatively, you can call Tesco Bank at 345-300-000, but online cancellation is usually faster. Remember to confirm your cancellation to ensure it's processed correctly. Before you cancel, it's helpful to know about claims and contact options. If you need to make a claim, do so within 30 days of the incident via the Tesco Bank app or website. You'll need proof of ownership and details about what happened, and possibly a police report for theft. Approved claims typically pay out within a few business days via bank transfer or voucher, but you might have to pay an excess fee depending on the type of claim. If you have questions or need to contact Tesco Bank, use the app's live chat for urgent matters. Call 0345-300-000 Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., or email insurance@tescobank.com. Finally, remember that cancellation rates have increased recently due to premium hikes and more digital alternatives. Consider if canceling is truly the best option for you or if there are cheaper alternatives.